seen elsewhere, it's new to Duxford, and it's going to create a very dramatic impression indeed. But here go the two Strikemasters. From North Wales Military Aviation Services. Variant, and this is what we see here, the BAC 167 Strikemaster. The aim, and it was also suitable if they wished as an advanced jet trainer. Changes to the design. The airframe was given better armour protection. Oman did so in particular. Carry Omani. The Strikemasters of what was then known as the Sultan of Oman's Air Force were heavily engaged in the Dhofar Rebellion. That was a conflict in which communist-backed rebel forces, which were known as the Adu, meaning the enemy, were trying to take over the Dhofar province of Oman. Its armament was significantly more potent. In from the left for a topside pass. Super rockets and a pair of 540 pounds, plus a pair of 7.62mm machine guns. They even introduced a rudimentary night attack capability with these aeroplanes, latterly with target illuminating flares. And the introduction of these jets also had a major demoralising effect on the enemy forces in Dhofar. Their most famous engagement came on the 19th of July 1972. It was the Battle of Mirbat. Strikemasters were much involved. They were providing close air support to forces including elements of our own SAS, the Special Air Service. The Strikemasters carried out strafing passes and attack runs using light rockets, but it came at a cost. 3 of the Omani Strikemasters were shot down during the course of the whole rebellion. Now in come the 2 aircraft towards us for a break. Aviation services based at Arden Airport in Chester is the most prominent manifestation of that. cars during the Dauphin War, and they have repaired bullet holes in them. The colour scheme is that of an Omani example from the Dauphin but it removes, of course, the risk factor associated with having extra hydraulic pipework, which would be particularly the case in the sort of low-level attack almost active in. From rockets, and the effectiveness of the concept of the Strikemaster was displayed many times during again, in on the big axis. The final break by the pair of BAC Strikemasters. Years, a time when rather fewer of such aircraft are now on the circuit than used to be the case. A proud Welsh company this. They employ a number of highly skilled professionals local to the Chester area to maintain a broad range of light aircraft and ex-military fast jets such as these. That was flown by Ian Brett. And the formation lead aircraft, the grey camouflage.